Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 9.2 part 1 homework for pre-algebra math today. And for today's homework, you got 90 points on your homework sheet. 9.2 part 1, simplifying square roots. Name, date, period, students down here, then due date, onliners, homeschoolers, put your due date there. And we'll go right into page 1, tell whether the expression 3 times radical 5 is in simplest form, explain in full sentences here. And then number 2, you have another word problem. Explain how to use the product property of square roots to simplify the expression radical 700. And then for 3 and 4, simplify these expressions. And this is 12 points here for page 1. Page 2, you have simplify these. For number 7, you have a word problem. Find the length side of a square as a radical expression in the simplest form. Number 8, you got error analysis here. Find out what's wrong with that. Correct the error in writing radical 72 in simplest form. Describe in full sentences here. Describe. You got 11 points here on page 2. Page 3, in the following exercises, use a calculator and simplify all these expressions using a calculator. Number 21, you got a word problem here. Write an expression in the simplest form for the time it takes the object to hit the ground, then approximate the time to the nearest second. So do that for 21. You got 16 points here, page 3. Page 4, you got a word problem up here, walking speed. Remember that? I think we did that in our classwork, so just remember your classwork. And then down here, simplify these expressions using radical rules of radicals. 12 points here, page 4. Page 5, you have a extended word problem here about the horizon of the earth. 4 meters here, 52 meters over here. A, calculate this, students. B, critical thinking. Use the diagram to explain why this is true. So put B down here, your explanation for critical thinking on this problem here. And that's 10 points here for page 5. Page 6, interpret and apply in part A of the previous problem. Use the results to determine how far you will be from the lighthouse when you first see it. And then 28 is a writing exercise. Describe how you would use prime factorization 450 to write the radical 450 in simplest form. Then 29 and 30, put these in simplest form down here. You got 12 points here, page 6. And then page 7, continuing here, simplest form, simplest form. Then you have a challenge here. And then 34, 35, 36, 37. Evaluate the expression with these values. And then for 38, write the fraction in simplest form. And it's 17 points here for page 7. And that is your homework lesson for pre-algebra math. Email me animatedpowerpointmathvideo at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.